Hello, today we are making Turkish bread that does not require yeast at all. Here's how to make it. In a large bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also, pour 1 cup of milk. Briefly mix the ingredients that are in the bowl. Then start adding flour by sifting. Sifting the flour makes it easier for batter to evenly mix because sifted flour is lighter. When mixture forms the dough, start kneading. Place the dough on a flat surface and knead the dough by pushing it forward over the surface, not towards the surface. After kneading the dough for roughly 5 minutes, portion the dough into 2 equal-sized pieces. But if you prefer smaller portions, you can make 4 equal-sized dough balls as well. Make the dough round by rolling them on the surface, then lightly press on them to create a flat circle-shaped dough. You can also use a rolling pin for this step. Let them rest for 5 minutes at least. Next, cook them over low heat without oiling the pan until they thicken and form golden brown colored speckles. Wait for them to cool. Then you can serve these amazing looking delicious breads with any meal. They are so easy to make. We suggest you should give it a try. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it and tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.